Alright, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I kind of wanted to try a day in the life. It's been a long time, but this is the best I could do for you guys. So I did a time lapse while I was working today by myself because all the apprentices were gone. So I was just demoing some lights inside of this, what they call the bed barn, where they store all the extra beds for the hospital that they push people around in while they're doing procedures and stuff, so they can take it from different rooms or upstairs and downstairs using the elevator and stuff like that. So anyways, I was disconnecting the junction boxes for the power. Once I turned the power off, disconnecting the wires inside of the junction boxes which fed the lights, and then disconnecting the rest of the lights that were attached to them, as they were basically one giant light but like 7 lights tied together. They were all hung on these struts, pieces of strut, so I basically just unbolted the struts, unbolted the lights from the strut, which were held together with strut nuts and a bolt. So basically just unscrewed the bolt and the lights came down. Started by taking out the light bulbs, or the lamps, whatever you want to call them. Some people call them light bulbs, so that's kind of what I've been calling them again, but they're lamps. So I've been taking out the 4-foot lamps, and then taking off the little traffer pieces, which are just 2 clips, and then unscrewing the bolts from the piece of strut, like I was saying. So I took down 3 of those pretty quick, about an hour and a half for all 3 of these. And then I also took another half of a section of lights down to the left. The other half was covered by the containment. You can just barely see the corner of the containment right here on the left side of the screen, the white little doorway. So I took down another, I don't know, 8-foot chunk of lights from there. And then basically the rest of the day I just went ahead and took out all the trash, took down all of the troffer cases right here, threw all those away first, and then I went ahead and threw the lights away. Did 2 trips to the trash for the lights themselves, and then I wrapped up all the lights and transferred those into our electrical room because the trash bin was full. And then from there I left work early because I was going to go buy this Corvette. What happened was they offered me this Corvette. They said someone canceled their order. I was going to go buy it, and then as soon as I left work early, I went to the bank to go confirm the loan, and then they called and canceled and said they were selling it to someone else, even though they already told me they were putting it on hold for me to buy it. So I'm pretty upset because they screwed me over, and I was like, I already left work early and stuff. So anyways, that was the rest of my day. I was gonna surprise you guys and tell you guys I got this car, but that seems to not be the case, so I will just have to wait another day to get one a different day. So anyways, that's how my day ended, and that's where we're at now. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about the time lapse. If you guys want to see more of those, maybe I can see what I can do about that. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks guys for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.